Want to keep your files and apps completely secure on Android? With Android 15's private space feature, you can. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up and keep your data safe in just a few simple steps. What is private space in Android 15? Android 15 has introduced private space, a hidden area on your phone, like a separate account. It's perfect for storing sensitive files, private apps, and even messages you don't want others to access. Think of it as a vault within your phone. How to set up private space. Let's jump into how to set it up. First, go to your phone's settings and scroll down to privacy. Once you're there, you'll see an option for private space. Tap on it to begin the setup process. Secure your private space. You'll be prompted to create a unique password or PIN for this space. Make sure it's different from your regular phone password for extra security. You can also enable faster fingerprint or face unlock to access your private space. Adding files and apps to private space. Once it's set up, you can add files, photos, apps, and contacts into the private space. To do this, just go into your gallery, apps, or files, and select the Move to Private Space option. This hides them from your regular phone view. Switching between regular and private space. Switching between your regular phone space and private space is super easy. Just unlock your phone as usual, and when you need to access your private space, use your special PIN or biometric lock. It's like having two phones in one. Tip 1. Be sure to back up your private space regularly, just like you would with your normal data. You can sync your private space files to cloud storage for extra peace of mind. Tip 2. If you ever need to hide the private space feature entirely, Android 15 allows you to do that. Just go back into Settings and toggle off the visibility, making it even more secure. Tip 3. You can also set up notifications to not show content from private apps so that no one will see your private messages or alerts on your lock screen. That's how you use the new private space feature in Android 15. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment with any questions you have. And don't forget to subscribe for more Android tips. Stay tuned for more awesome tech content, and I'll see you in the next one.